Ladies and gentlemen, o Llanofish, andamos en Red World Farm Tyson. Andamos en Tyson. Andamos haciendo una reparación. We're doing a repair on a Tyson farm right here. We do repairs. We do the crew cells, any kind of repair in a chicken house right there. This is the repair we gotta do. Yeah, today we do some similar yesterday. That's what we're doing. We over here by Greensboro, something like that. Yesterday we was working another way in the mountains. We all over the place. Anybody need any kind of repair work, pole barns, all kind of stuff, we're here for. We're ready to roll. Thank you. Anyone, just shoot me a text and we go for there. Thank you.